Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing credentials and tools so the connection works securely. Enable the BigQuery API in your Google Cloud project and create a service account for Power BI with BigQuery permissions. Once created, download the JSON key and store it securely. You will reference that file in Power BI. Next, confirm you have Power BI Desktop installed and the BigQuery connector enabled in Options. This sets the stage so you can authenticate, choose datasets, and avoid permission errors later. Now you authenticate and pull data into Power BI. In Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data, then Google BigQuery. Pick Service Account JSON if you have the key, or OAuth for user-based access. Point to your project ID and browse datasets, or paste a custom SQL query to limit rows. Once you see the preview, decide between direct query for live querying versus import for faster reports. After loading, use Power Query to filter, rename, and set data types so visuals are accurate and performant. Finish by creating visuals and validating data consistency. Set relationships and craft measures with DAX for efficient aggregation. Once satisfied, publish the report to Power BI service and configure scheduled refresh. Add an on-premises data gateway only if required for service accounts or network restrictions. If something breaks, check IAM roles and billing on Google Cloud first, then confirm the JSON key and dataset access. If query is timeout, try smaller preview queries or switch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.